I'll be there by sunrise, so just stay a little while. Well, of lately I've been far from home. I'm here and then I'm gone, and it's driving you crazy. But now the open road is far away, and Lord, I've come back home to stay with you out.
Using wood from the old chicken run felt poetic and necessary.
So come on, baby, rest your head. Lay yourself back down instead. Well, you don't have to go right now. You can stay a little while.